Hi everyone, it's Bernadette here, Simply Be Art, Cape Town, South Africa. I'm going to do another Fiona art flower, this time on a black base, and I'm going to be using these beautiful colors in a crimson red, a permanent orange, and a beautiful sunny yellow. We're going to alternate it with titanium white. I've laid down my base coat. Let me pop the air bubbles and then we'll lay down the colors. So this is the end result of the pour today. This flower is still moving and morphing and will most likely make a few more changes along the way as it dries. But what a beautiful outcome, what a gorgeous result. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share with your friends, your colleagues, your neighbors. And please keep watching the videos. There will be cards being shown to you now. Click on one of those videos to be taken to the next one. And thank you for being here with me today. Take care everyone, stay well, and bye for now.